I shouted your name in an empty hall. I watched it bounce from wall to wall. Every whisper, every ghost, the things that I remember most are coming back in a different key, like a message sent from me to me. The air is thick with the sounds of the past, a sonic shadow that's built to last. Fragments of a life we used to know, moving fast and moving slow. I hear the laughter, I hear the pain, over and over and over again. The walls are mirrors made of sound, a secret circle that I have found. I'm talking to the air, I'm talking to the light, in the middle of the acoustic night. It's a loop, it's a spin, it's a long delay. The things we said will never fade away. One word becomes 1,000 more, walking through an open door. Living in an echo chamber, far away from any danger. Just the sound of my own heart, tearing the silence all apart. Repeat, replay, return, lessons that we'll never learn. In the echo where we grow. Can you hear yourself? The past's just a frequency. Listen. The silence is talking back. The geometry of a hollow space, I see the rhythm in your face. We are the signal, we are the noise, finding the balance, finding the poise. Don't be afraid of the things you hear. The ghost in the speaker is perfectly clear. It's just a reflection, it's just a vibration, the soundtrack of a new generation. Living in an echo chamber, far away from any danger. Just the sound of my own heart, tearing the silence all apart.
Silk and stone, soft as silk. Soft as silk, soft as silk, but hard as stone. I'm building a temple on my own. Grace in the movement, fire in the veins, a delicate touch that breaks the chains. The architecture of a velvet hand, written in shifting sand. I'm fragile as glass, but heavy as gold. A story about that's never been told. The wind is sharp, the mountain is high, but I got the wings to touch the sky.
Beauty is not weakness. Silence is not surrender. To be soft is to be indestructible. Feel the weight, feel the grace. Are breathing, the light is low. I've got nowhere left to go. The silence is a fabric, soft and deep, a secret that the shadows keep. I'm sinking down into the floor. I don't need the daylight anymore. Every corner is a soft embrace, lost inside this nameless space. No gravity inside here. The air is heavy like a coat of wool. I feel the push, I feel the pull. The world outside is just a ghost. The things that I remember most are fading into shades of black, and I'm never coming back. It's not a prison, it's a hideaway, a place where all the colors turn to gray. Don't try to find me, don't try to call. I'm becoming part of the wall. Welcome to the velvet void, where every worry is destroyed. Soft as a whisper, dark as a dream. Nothing is ever what it seems. Just the bass and the space between. Velvet void, where the soul is seen. Close your eyes. Can you feel the texture? It's not empty, it's full of everything you let go. Stay here in the velvet.
Binary drops on the window pane. I'm washing my soul in digital rain. A million pixels in every tear. The city is far, but the signal is near. The streets are glowing in electric blue. I'm searching for a version of the truth. I see the world in a different light, through the static of a stormy night. Oh. High-speed echoes in the empty air. I see your ghost, but you're never there. A stream of data, a river of code, a story that the motherboard told. Refresh the memory, clear the mind, leave all the broken bits behind. We're just a code in a beautiful storm, waiting for the light to keep us warm. The sky is a screen that is starting to fade in the simulation that we both made. Don't look for shelter, don't look for dry. Just watch the binary fall from the sky, streaming down in lines of blue. I'm flowing back to the core of you. Digital rain, wash me clean, in a world that lives behind the screen. High resolution, low and soul, let the liquid data take control. Digital rain, I'm feeling whole. Everything is connected. The rain, the code, the way I feel about you. It's not just data, it's a heartbeat in the machine. Watching the traffic from far below, a liquid circuit, a neon dream, moving along with the data stream. We are the glitch that they can't repair, a pulse of life in the digital air. Stay in the rain until the morning light. Everything's perfect in the code tonight. Streaming down in lines of blue. I'm flowing back to the core of you. Digital rain, wash me clean, in a world that lives behind the screen. In the core of you. Ooh, wash me clean. The stars are heavy, the earth is wide, but I feel the magnet deep inside.
You're the center, I'm the moon, falling into you too soon. It's not physics, it's not law, it's the most beautiful thing I saw. The world is spinning out of control, but you are the anchor for my soul. Satellites drifting in the dark, searching for a tiny human spark. But we are grounded, we are deep, promises that we both have to keep. The atmosphere is pushing down, but I feel like I'm wearing a crown, fixed in place, heart on the line, in this gravitational design. Space is empty, space is cold, but we have a heat that's yet to be told. A silent pull, a golden chain, holding us through the wind and rain. Gravity glue, holding us tight, in the middle of the neon light. Heavy as lead, light as a feather, we're forced to be together. Stuck in the orbit of your soul, let the attraction take control. Gravity glue, making us I can't drift away. You are the earth, you are the way. Don't let me go into the void. Stay